Derecho is a very long-lived line of storms with wind damage over 240 miles in length. Oftentimes, it has to have winds of 58 miles per hour or greater, what we classify as severe level winds, to reach that derecho criteria. Now, these derechos in our area often happen when we get a big ridge of high pressure building in across the eastern U.S., big area high pressure to our west. What that does is it keeps us very hot, very humid, provides a little bit of extra heat and humidity and storm fuel. Those storms can then move in from the Ohio Valley into our region, bringing strong gusty winds. On June 29, 2012, we had that setup. Norfolk hit 100 degrees that afternoon for a high temperature, and that set the stage for a wild evening of storms. As the system tracked from the Ohio Valley area, really it started in Chicago and made its way to the south and east, it produced severe wind gusts all along it. In total, 5 million people lost power, and the storm tracked 700 miles over the course of 12 hours. Now, let's take a look at a few of the wind reports from the system into our region. You notice we had some pretty strong wind gusts. The highest gust was around 74 miles per hour in the Isle of Wight area. Often in other areas, we had some gusts over 60 miles per hour, 61 in Portsmouth, and 63 in the Cape Henry area. So certainly the 2012 derecho was a pretty significant storm for our region. It caused a lot of wind damage, but it's also a reminder that you want to take those severe thunderstorm warnings seriously. Just because it's not a tornado warning doesn't mean you can't get strong to severe winds that can knock down trees and cause power outages. Make sure you respect all those warnings that we pass along to you here from the Super Dopper 10 Weather Center.